What's going on and welcome back. I just wanted to make a quick little video about my experience with the Starbond Black that I used in the Bowtie bench build. And probably just like you, I had seen a few ads for this stuff and had wondered if it was really as good as it seems. Now, when I picked up the slabs for the build and saw all the insect holes, I figured I would get some of the Black Starbond and give it a shot. And I can tell you, I'm very happy with the performance and the result, and nothing really stuck out to me as a big negative. And if you have ever used CA glue before, you know what to expect. But if you have not, here's the deal. Once you apply the CA, you can hit it with the accelerator and it instantly cures. Then you can either sand it or add a second or third layer if needed. But I was mostly concerned about how black was black. What I kind of expected was it to be semi-transparent in some of the smaller voids so that it was going to be a little see-through. But that was not the case. It covered really well, and I was so impressed by the performance, I ended up contacting Starbond, and they set me up with a link and a discount code. So now you can save 10%, and that link and code will be down in the description below. As you can see here, the CA sands very nice with 220, and after a few coats of poly, the bench looks great. So if you have never tried the Black CA, go give it a shot. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.